Most beginners fail at marketing because they're doing too much. Today, I'll show you simple marketing strategies beginners can actually use. No fancy tools, no big budgets. If you're just starting out in marketing, this video will give you clear strategies. Let's start with the biggest mistake beginners make. Don't market to everyone. When you market to everyone, you attract no one. Beginners think, my product is for everyone. That's wrong. Instead, ask, who needs this the most right now? One clear audience, one clear problem, one clear message. That's how beginners win. Strategy #2. Solve one problem really well. People don't buy products, they buy solutions. Before posting, ask, what problem am I solving? Not, I sell fitness coaching, but I help busy people lose weight in 20 minutes a day. Clear beats clever, always. Strategy 3. Use one platform, not all. Beginners burn out on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, email, and ads. Pick one platform where your audience already spends time. Then show up consistently with one post a day. One message, one goal. Consistency beats perfection every time. Strategy #4. Copy what already works. You don't need to reinvent marketing. Look at top creators, successful competitors, and viral posts. Ask, why did this work? Then model the structure, not the copy. This saves time and increases results. Strategy #5. Build trust before selling. Beginners try to sell too fast. Instead, share tips, give value, show results, tell stories. People buy from those they trust. If they trust you, selling becomes easy. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Start simple, stay focused, be consistent. For more beginner-friendly marketing tips, save this, like, and follow. Because this is just the start.